I'm Dr. Naveen BP, currently working as a head and associate professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at Amity University, Haryana, India. I completed BE Civil Engineering from University Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering, Bangalore. MTech in Geotechnical Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. MS, Ph.D. and postdoc in Geotechnical Engineering from Indian Institute of Science, India. I'm very excited to invite you to participate in the Diploma in Soil Mechanics with Engineering Seismology. Soil Mechanics with Engineering Seismology is concerned with the solution of engineering problems connected with the study of seismic ground movement, their effect on foundation and building materials, and engineering structure. Pursuing a diploma course in soil mechanics with seismology moves towards a plethora of scope because this specialization in geophysics is a branch of applied science pertaining to natural environmental phenomena. There are a wide number of national, international organizations constantly researching and developing studies related to the Earth's surface. The scope of pursuing this course expands a great deal to foreign countries where natural phenomena like earthquakes are more frequent. This course is greatly suitable for candidates who have an interest in finding the data about Earth's surface like seismic sensors and natural resource deposits under land in the sea region. Don't miss the opportunity to enroll in this diploma organized by the International Geotechnical Center. It will be useful as a complement to your professional work. I hope to see you soon at the diploma course. To all of you, thank you.